Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove application from internal storage to SD card on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the app setting. Click on this app setting, and here you're going to select application you would like to move to your SD card. And for your information, guys, that not all of the application can be moved to SD card. As far as I know, one of the application which can be moved to SD card is Instagram. So I'm going to move my Instagram application to my SD card. And before you move your application to SD card, you have to check it first whether the application can be moved or not. And I'm just going to select Instagram, and we can select the storage right here. And if we want to move application from internal storage to SD card, we can change the storage location. Click on change, and here we're going to select SD card. And after we select SD card, the application will be moved from internal storage to SD card. Alright guys, and that's how we can move application from internal storage to SD card. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.